everyone, welcome to our show Insurance Journal. I am Mary Mugia and with me today is Mr. Krishnan, Managing Director of Alliance Insurance Corporation. Welcome, sir.
My name is Krishnan. I've been here in this country for 15 years now. I serve as Group Managing Director of Alliance Group.
What differences do you see in Tanzania since the moment you came to now in the industry of insurance?
See, the changes has been very gradual. When I came, private sector insurance companies were very new. And the premium levels were very less. Now, you have over 25 private insurers, which is the first big change. The premium levels have enormously increased. Service levels have increased. Awareness in insurance has increased, despite the fact that penetration levels are low. Privatization has helped, along with government insurance companies, to enhance insurance service level, insurance penetration.
Well, let's talk about short-term insurance and what's the future in our country, Tanzania.
Yeah, see, for that matter, whether it's short term or long term, future is very bright. Tanzania has got enormous potential. It serves as gateway to almost 8 countries which are landlocked. It has vast resources. There is a tremendous potential for private sector investment, government investment, foreign investments. You would all be knowing government has embarked on a lot of projects, big projects. The rail project, bridges are coming up. So all these things are going to enhance employment, enhance standard of living. Insurance demand would also go up. So the future for any kind of insurance, for that matter, like for any other subset of economy, is very, very bright.
Is everyone actually aware about insurance in general?
See, this is a hot topic in Tanzania. We have a long way to go in creating awareness. But as far as cities are concerned, the businesses are concerned, people who are working in the formal sectors are concerned, people are aware about insurance. But if you take the whole country, vast majority of population are in rural sector. They are on to predominantly in agriculture. From that perspective, awareness is really limited because agricultural insurance, cattle insurance, when it becomes popular and when they have insurance needs, when they are addressed, and also by media, there are various ways by which awareness will increase. Certain steps are being taken, and we have a long way to go, as I mentioned. Some steps are being taken at the insurance association level to create awareness. Regulators are taking steps. From our company point of view, we are also trying to put things in place so that we can do our bit in adding to the level of awareness what we have in the country.
What challenges you face in making people aware, especially in the rural areas? Because insurance in Tanzania has been there for a long time now, but it's still a challenge in the rural areas.
See, we need to go beyond Tanzania to answer this question. This is a challenge which you would see in any developing economy. Ours is also a developing economy. I told you, insurance is restricted to the towns and the big cities. Once we do right things to make agricultural insurance popular, microinsurance popular, and make these kind of insurances viable, then things will become popular from the need point of view, from the satisfaction of need point of view. But as a matter of fact, this will also help once we address the financial inclusion aspect.
Can you tell us about agriculture insurance in Tanzania and how is the future of agriculture in Tanzania? Because I do believe there's a bigger percentage that the government is depending on agriculture, but it is a small scale. So how do you think the industry can benefit?
See, agricultural insurance is again a complex topic, but nevertheless very important topic. First, I would say we don't have to reinvent the wheel. In Kenya, in Rwanda, some concrete steps are being taken, and you are seeing good development is taking place in this sector. Second, in India, government-led agricultural insurance is the talk which we are used to now in all insurance forums around the world. So the point is, if we can look around closer to home, I mentioned about these two countries, India, where in the past few years, big steps have been taken to promote agricultural insurance. Because the fact is, it's very expensive for the farmer to pay premium. And for this sector to be viable, you require somewhere around 5 to 10%, whereas you pay under 1%, much below 1% to buy any other kind of insurance normally. Probably it could be even in some cases now between 1 and 2%.
Don't you think it's best maybe the insurance companies plus the government and the organizations to come up together so to find a solution?
Yeah, see, solutions are there. I told you the impediments also. Now, there are various ways, like say for example, on the claim side you have index-based insurance. On the selling of agricultural insurance products, you can go through aggregators. Still, premium collection is important, premium payment is important, right? Premium payment is important, reinsurance is important. To ensure that all these things happen, we again have successful models available. If each stakeholder, if we all stakeholders get together and make sure that we plan properly and implement it, then we will be there.
And the youth that there is in the insurance industry, how do you make use of the young people, and how aware will they be in the insurance industry? What steps are taken?
See, it's again a very good question. There is a big gap between theory and practice. You who come and join insurance industry need some kind of a training. I would suggest that if there is a quarterly training at the insurance institute level by successful insurance practitioners, it will do a lot of good to the youth. Transition from academia to the professional level will be much smoother, and they will benefit a lot. Secondly, in some countries you have discussion group. People can talk, successful insurance practitioners can talk on various kinds of topics, on reinsurance, on marine insurance, on loss assessment. It could be just for an hour in a month during lunchtime. Most of the offices are situated in town. We can hire a place where we can have a 1 hour talk where the youngsters can be encouraged to go and attend. So they will learn quite a lot on insurance. Not only that, they will also meet people whom they are not used to meet. This would enhance their learning level. Apart from that, a lot of initiatives youngsters also need to take. First 5 years for anyone is very vital. There need to be a real hunger to learn, to achieve things. Knowledge is key. If they can grab this knowledge through these forums or any forum what they can get, even in their own organization, even by after officers picking up claim files, picking up underwriting files, looking through proposal forms, a youth or a fresh employee can learn quite a lot. So it has to be from various angles.
Well, we have finished our show, and Mr. Krishnan, thank you for being here in our show today and for answering all the questions that Samtal Finance have been having and all the doubts that I do believe everything is clear with them right now.
Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you.